I was also wondering about, are you seeing an increase in elder abuse?
Absolutely, that was another story.
Yeah. Okay.
And that absolutely, definitely increase in elderly abuse. And unfortunately, it's done by the family.
This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Oh my goodness.
Gosh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you have, the niece or the son, the daughter,
Yeah.
and
And they're forging
they're
documents?
forging documents. They're creating power of attorneys.
Oh, my.
When the elderly person is, either in a nursing home or
Yeah.
some type of home or under care,
Yeah.
and they will actually, they will forge a document, or sometimes, a big thing. A lot of people now are, have dementia, Alzheimer's,
Right.
and they'll just stick a document in front of that person and saying, "Here, sign this."
Yeah.
And then that person is trying to sell the property from underneath.
It's
the
interesting,
parents.
my mother-in-law's had been staying with us for a while, and she's got some memory issues and some levels of dementia. And so we've been handling all of her finances, and I have to say I've seen this where the banks, particularly where her investments are held, are very very careful
Right.
about things, and in terms
Absolutely.
of what we're doing, and they want to make sure they want to talk to her. And so we absolutely let them. It's not all that usually not that effective, but we do. I mean, we want them to say,
Right.
we're watching out for her. So
Right.
I can see where it's problematic, because someone with dementia,
May not always answer the question properly. So
and
then
it's-
what do you do?
and the weird thing is the signature changes.
It does.
It changes so dramatic. And so you're saying, no, that really is her signature. And we're like, we're trying to convince them this is their signature. So sometimes we have to actually bring her into a branch and sit her down, and then we can get things fixed. But it's hard. It's a real challenge.
Yeah, it is very challengeable
Yeah.
to determine. And then, if they do have a power of attorney, the title company, we have to prove that that person signed it prior to them being incompetent.
Right.
So sometimes we have to get a hold of the medical doctor
Sure.
and get them to write a statement saying when they were declared incompetent or they're unable to handle their financial affairs. So to make sure that it was signed
a lot.
before, they became incompetent and the power of attorney is actually valid.
Right.
So we get a lot of people that, the doctor have declared that person incompetent.
Right.
And they'll just stick a power of attorney in front of that person, a durable power of attorney,
Right.
and then they'll sign it. And then they come in and they want to sell the house, and we say, we go through all that process
Sure.
to unravel everything,
Yeah.
and come to find out that she was not competent when she signed a power of attorney. So we ask that person have to go get a guardianship.
Right.
So durable power of attorney gives someone carte blanche?
For the most part,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
It obviously depends on how the power of attorney is written
Yeah.
as to the powers. But generally, most power of attorneys are, if it's a Nevada power of attorney, it's under interest statutes for
Right.
the power of attorney, which gives carte blanche
Yeah.
to do that